guys, so the clock has struck 12 and it's my birthday night. I'm so very excited. I'm at my friend's place and I just cut my birthday cake, and yes, and this is my birthday gift. I'm so very happy and feeling ecstatic. I'm on cloud 9, so I really wanted to record this moment. So here I am filming this short video to let you know guys that my birthday night is going so very awesome, and I'll keep posting you guys and I'll keep recording as much as possible so that I can cherish these moments forever. Yeah, so on this note I'll sign off and see you very soon. So guys, I'm heading towards Khan Market to spend the rest of my day and celebrate with my friend.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aati. Happy birthday to you.
बहुत मोटे हो गए अर्जुन, it's unfair. He's my friend, he doesn't want to come on camera. So guys, this is finally my birthday outfit, and I was so very much in love with this because of its mauve color and great fit that it has, its neckline, the belt, and I had to team it up with these nude bow stilettos. I got both the dress and these stilettos from the Label Life, and the dress that I feel the dress is absolutely summer friendly and it had fit me so well, so I was enjoying wearing my outfit. Hey guys, so that was my vlog, my first birthday vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching it like you always do. Though I was a little apprehensive as to how my video will turn out to be, but whatever it is, that's all for you. I tried to capture the moments as much as I could while being, in the moment at the same time. I didn't want to miss out on the enjoyment. I didn't want to miss out on the company of my friends. So guys, that was it for you. And you guys are literally my virtual family. You pour in your love, you shower me with your warm wishes, your comments, your likes. So you really boost my morale, and it's because of your support that I've come this far, that I have created these many videos. So thank you so much guys for everything. I couldn't have asked for more. Also guys, maybe किसी को लगता हो that there's no need to be this excited for birthdays, So what? Birthday ही तो है, but I am somebody who is always excited, and a couple of days before my excitement level shoots up and I start expecting things. मुझे लगता है मेरा बर्थडे ऐसे जाएगा वैसे जाएगा and what not. So guys, इस बार मुझे लगा था कि क्वारंटीन में मेरा बर्थडे इतना अच्छा नहीं जाएगा. I might end up staying at home, but thanks to my lovely friends who really made it, and it's because of them that I could feel special, I could feel happy, and exuberance was in the air. जितना भी मेरे बर्थडे पे हुआ मुझे उसकी बहुत खुशी है और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि कोई आपके लिए अपना टाइम निकालता है अपने बिजी स्केड्यूल से और ऐसे पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन में, इसी टेंस सिचुएशन में आपके लिए कुछ करता है. सो दैट आई थिंक मीन्स सो मच मोर, राइट? And because of this vlog, I have sealed my day, and I can go back to the vlog anytime, whenever I feel like watching my birthday celebration. Also guys, I wanted to share my birthday look with you guys. I hope आपको मेरे dresses अच्छे लगे होंगे. मैंने जो भी पहना on my birthday night and on that very day. So whatever little I could do, I was very happy with that, and I'm really sure आपको भी अच्छा लगा होगा ये सब देख के. So thank you so much guys for staying tuned and watching my videos till the end. I can't thank you enough. So please always be there, and yeah, I'll come on very soon with yet another video of mine. Till then, take good care of yourselves. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay hydrated, love your family and love yourself. And God bless you. I love you a lot. Bye-bye.